All right, so yesterday was just an absolutely beautiful day. Driving home from Norman, Oklahoma, and crystal clear, warm, and so I'm just putzing along here on I-35 doing the speed limit, and then this happened.
Dude! Whoa! There's a car coming.
I have no idea how fast that car was going. If you know or can take a guess, write it in the comments below. And there's his buddy. He was racing right there, that white Mustang. So it looks to me like a new Dodge Charger, orange, Dukes of Hazzard style. Just hauling ass. I don't know if that was a Hellcat or whatever, but yeah, that Mustang couldn't keep up with it. They were hauling ass like Autobahn speeds, and I was stationed over there in Germany. I've seen some fast cars and some really bad accidents.
Dukes of Hazzard style.
Here he
right
is, just
there,
getting
man.
off
Charger.
the road right there. Hope you had fun. Just don't kill anybody in the process, there, partner. But they drive like this down here, Oklahoma and Texas. Just crazy. Balls to the wall. All right, have a good one. Stay safe out there.